Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep track of your transactions on Bluecoins, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then you can see that we are at the expense section, but click on the transfer and you can see the first thing that you have to do is to type the name of the transfer. After that you can add a photo if you would like. Then you have to enter or type in the exact amount of money that you have transferred. After that you can see that you can change the currency if you would like. Then you can set the date and the time, and after that you have to choose that from which account to which account you have sent or transferred your money. After that there is several other settings or options: the schedule, label, status, and the notes. But I guess that the main thing is the first ones. And if you are all done, then click on that green circle at the bottom of the screen and then you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.